Welcome to the lecture on environmental ethics. I am Dr. T. Usha Madhuri, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, Andhra University College of Engineering. What is environment? It implies the totality of our surroundings. It includes biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic implies the living and abiotic implies the non-living components. Under biotic components, plants and animals. And under abiotic components, air, water, soil and other man-made features. Ethics are concerned with what is wrong and what is right. Environmental ethics thus try to define the moral basis of environmental responsibility. There are three possible viewpoints. Anthropocentric view, which means that the environment should be habitable for human beings. The biocentric view deals with the concept of conservation and protection of all life. And ecocentric view deals with the protection of the environment. What is a proverb? A proverb is a short sentence based on a long experience. First, we can see here in quotations, man cannot command nature except by obeying it. What does this mean? We should not run after gains or benefits at the cost of nature. Rather, should strive to restore its bountifulness. And this can be done when we think green and act green. Only if we take care of nature, nature will take care of us. We should love and honor the earth since it has blessed us with life, bestowed us with all natural resources, and governs our existence. We need to protect the environment. Nature has for man's needs but not for man's greeds. And waste of plenty is the resource of scarcity. So we should conserve natural resources but not deprive the future generations of their right to meet their needs from nature. So conservation of natural resources, sustainable development is what is needed. So man should not take loans from natural resources that are meant for the future generations that cannot be paid back. What does this mean? We should make use of renewable resources and should not deplete the non-renewable resources. The principle of living is to live and let live. Nature is not for human beings alone, but for all living species. We should not hold ourselves above other living creatures and have no right to lead them to extinction. So, biodiversity conservation is required, in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. The entire life is sacred. So, it is said that if you plant for 1 year, plant rice. If you plant for 10 years, plant trees. And if you plant for 100 years, educate the people. So, environment needs to be protected, preserved and conserved for the welfare of the humanity and the entire living beings. Thank you.